Welcome to another experiment with golden paint. Now today I'm going to be trying black and white together for the first time, but I'll also be adding these three colors in there. And I'm going to be using the same products as in my last video. I really like them. I like the GAC 800, how it reacted, and the Liquitex Pouring Medium, and a little bit of alcohol. Now I'm going to be adding alcohol to maybe 2 or 3 colors, I'm not sure yet. But I'll be filming how I prepare them so you guys can see that later on. I'm going to be working on a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas, and I will be using my blow dryer once again to push around the paint. I'm really liking and experimenting with this style here. I'm having so much fun and I'm learning a lot. So let me just set myself up here, and I am going for this. So this is about an hour later, and you guys probably saw I blew on it a lot with the blow dryer. I probably went a bit too far there, but I was trying something different with my black and my white. Not much white left, but at least there's still a bit of that negative space. And check out how the black and the white reacted together. Isn't that awesome? It just makes me want to try another one, but with black and white, and like one color maybe. The painting moves in each and all direction. Even if I level it, it moves in another direction. This one I spent a lot of time at first with my level on my phone, making it leveled and it's still moved. It's crazy. There's just something about this paint. It's so fluid, probably because of all the pouring medium that's in there. So it's looking kind of cool. I'm liking that black spot that I added there, because I kind of blew on it a lot with the blow dryer in that area, so it weirded out. Like, less is more, you know, but the black spot kind of helps it out. Alright, so I hope you guys like this. Stay tuned for the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result, and it's looking kind of cool. It dried exactly the same like my other ones, except for one thing here. Those colors in the bubbles, you could see them better when it was wet, and the black kind of took over during the drying process, which isn't a surprise. But the overall look is kind of cool. It's creepy. I'm really loving that webbing with the black and the white. I'm gonna be practicing with those two colors, that's for sure. So I hope you guys like this. Bye.